To make onion fritters or onion pakoda, here I am using 1 kg of onions which is sliced, and also I have just rubbed it to separate each layer. You can see the layers are separated. Then 1 bowl of this is chickpea flour, 1 bowl of coriander leaves. This is around 8 green chilies. It also depends on how spicy you want to make it, so use that. Around 1 inch of ginger and quarter bowl of garlic. This is 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Salt to taste. This is half bowl of rice, soaked rice. So just before slicing the onion, you soak the rice. So later on when you are making the paste, this will be quite hydrated to get grinded easily. Then here I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of this is red chili powder for color. This is 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for spiciness, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of this is garam masala. And finally salt to taste. Now I'm going to make the paste of this soaked rice, the green chilies, ginger and garlic and coriander leaves. The paste will be dry paste. I'm not going to add water to it. So take a dry grinder, just add all the ingredients. Then goes in the rice. And now this goes for grinding. Now to this onion I'll add the chickpea flour. Here you can see the paste is ready, so I'll add this too. Add the carom seeds, all the dry spices and salt to taste. Here I am not adding water because when salt is mixed with onion, it releases moisture. So I'm just going to give a nice mix, a nice rub till all the mixture is mixed well. If required, add some more chickpea flour till it starts to bind together. Now here the mixture is ready. I'll start frying the pakoras, the onion fritters. You can see the mixture is mixed well. It is without water. What I have done, if you add water, the chickpea flour will start flowing out of it. So this is the kind of consistency which is required for onion fritters. The rice what I had added, which I had grinded and I have added, will give a nice crispiness to the fritters. So now I'll start frying it. Here the oil is already heated up, so I'll just start frying the fritters, the onion pakoras. So just take small quantities of the mixture, just bind them once, twice so that it sticks to each other, and then put it into the oil. Keep the flame on a medium heat, otherwise the pakoras, the fritters will be raw from the center. Once one side is done, just flip it over and fry the other side, and fry till they turn golden brown in color. So just flip it over. Don't overcrowd into the oil, otherwise it will be difficult for you to rotate it. Now this pakoras, the onion fritters are ready. I'll remove this on a tissue paper, and then this is ready to serve. You serve it with green chutney. This is a very nice snack, especially during the rainy season. Now I'll remove this on a tissue paper. In this way I'll make all the pakoras.